Maximus Traffic, the system, demo, and overview. In this video, we will go through the Maximus Traffic system as it was designed. And if you've watched any of the other training videos, you'll understand that these different softwares in Maximus Traffic can be used in different manners. It's a very versatile software system. You can use the softwares as individual products, or you can use them in conjunction with each other in a number of different ways. And it is best that you have all four of the different softwares up in your browser window. And it's also recommended that you're logged into your ClickBank account and you're into the affiliate marketplace. And as you can see, I have CB250, the tab up here, and in the next tab, I have Maximus, the done-for-you funnel system, and in the next tab, I have Push Pro, which integrates with Instant Push Pages. The one thing about Instant Push Pages that you need to be aware of is it promotes mainly make money online type products, like affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and those type of products. And the other thing, it's recommended that you're logged into your ClickBank marketplace and you go to the affiliate marketplace where you can search for offers. So anyway, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find a high converting ClickBank offer off of CB250 that is congruent with Instant Push Pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to where it says commissions. I'm going to go 50% commission. Then I'm going to go push the tab where it says established products for 3 years. Then I'm going to go affiliates refer 70% of sales. And then I'm going to push search. So what I'm doing is looking for a offer that is congruent with Instant Push Pages that has a high converting funnel or a high converting offer. I'm going to scroll down and I see this one here is Conversio Bot CPA, which is cost per action. So that means it's a make money online type product, and it has a good payout. As you can see, $183.36. So this looks like the offer that I'm going to take a look at. Now, you may have to scroll around here a little bit to find a good offer, but anyway, so for demo purposes, what we're going to do is we're going to copy this text. Okay. Then we're going to go over to ClickBank and the affiliate marketplace, and we're going to paste that into the search bar of the affiliate marketplace. Now, you may have to reword this a little bit to find this offer in ClickBank. I just want you to be aware of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out small and just name off the name of the product. And then I'm going to push search. And here's the offer here. And basically, it looks like a good offer to me. It has a high gravity score of 26.46. And then it has initial conversion. It averages $264.89. It's reoccurring and has a rebill of $122.45. And you can read more about the product by clicking this button here. You can see it's a CPA offer, and it's got a lot of good things to say about it. It's got an upsell flow, it's reoccurring, and what we're really looking for in here is the affiliate tools. It has affiliate tools. It has a one-time offer. It's a CPA, cost per action, and it's mobile friendly. And you can see over here the average conversion, which I call average commission, is $356.58. And all you got to do is push promote there to get your affiliate link, or there's another way to get your affiliate link, which I'm going to show you here in a minute. So anyway, what we want to do is go to the affiliate page down here. Okay, now we're on the Conversio Bot affiliate page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and look at this page to see if there's anything that I can use in the Maximus Done For You funnel. So I'm going to scroll down. There's a lot of different information on here. Talks a lot about the program and the benefits. Here's a demo video, and I could use that. I could download it and upload it onto my YouTube channel and put that into the Maximus Done For You funnel. It talks about the OTOs or the upsells. You can get on their email list. There's some email swipes that you can use to promote this product. Some different graphics that you can use. Here's some promotional videos. Talks about the bonuses that it has. You can download them, use them. So anyway, that's the whole page. I like the looks of these promotional videos. They look like they'll work in the Maximus software. And I want to play this video here because I like the way the thumbnail looks. Do you have a website? Well, I like the sounds of that and I like the looks of it. So there's two ways to do this. You can download this and upload it onto your YouTube channel and then plug that into the Maximus software, or you can use the method that I'm going to use. And this only seems to work on Firefox. I don't have a Mac, so I don't know how it works on Safari, but it doesn't seem to work when I try to do this in Chrome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to highlight this code from the starting text to down below that to this text here. Then I'm going to right click and I'm going to view selection source. So you can see there's two videos on here. This is the video 1. This is the download. This is the video 2. And we wanted the second video. This is where you could download it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this code here. This is the iframe. This is like the embed code. So I'm going to copy that. Right click and copy. I'm on a PC. And then I'm going to go find Notepad. And I'm going to paste that in my Notepad so I don't lose the code. And then I'm going to go back to the Maximus Done For You funnel system. And then I'm going to search for a Done For You funnel that uses a video. And there are quite a number of different types of funnels in the Maximus software. You can use it with a opt-in form, or you can use it with a sales button. But I've used this one several times, and I like the looks of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose this one because this is for demo purposes anyway. And there's a number of different types of funnels in here. I've used this one quite a few times, so I'm going to choose this one. And here's where you're going to plug in the video. Now I'm going to take and I'm going to get rid of that part, and I'm going to go back to my Notepad. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to highlight that, and then I'm going to copy it. This is the embed code. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste it in here. Now, you want to push this button here to refresh the page to make sure that the video works, because sometimes the videos will not work. And if they don't work, then you got to go through the process again, or download the video and put it on your YouTube channel. So anyway, I'm going to refresh this page. You can see the video came up. I'm going to push play to see if it plays. Well, it does play. So now what I got to do is I got to go back to ClickBank. And I got to go to the sales page of ConversioBot. And what I'm going to do, and I'm going to highlight this code right here, the headline of the sales page, copy that, and I'm going to go back into Maximus, and then where it says headline here, I'm going to paste the headline in there. And then I'm going to refresh the page. And then you can see how it changed to the same headline as what was on the sales page. And I'm also going to go and I'm going to go back to and copy this right here. The name of the product. Copy that. Go back to Maximus. So what I did is I went back to ClickBank, and I'm going to copy the name of the product and put it in Maximus up here. This is just for my reference. It won't be on the page. And then you got some other options. Now you can change the button. So if you watch the Maximus training and the other training videos, you'll understand this. You can change the button. You can use it from a URL, or you can browse your PC and put a button from your PC. And this is where you put your affiliate link right here. You can put other text elements in here. You can change the font. You can change the color. You can add some extra code. Well, anyway, what I'm going to do is go get my affiliate link. And you go back to, there's a couple different ways to do this. You can get it from ClickBank where it says promote, or you can go back to CB250. You can go here where it's highlighted, ConversioBot, and then you can put your mouse cursor over top of the link there. You can right click and you can copy link. Now this is on a PC again. You can copy the link. Then you go back to Maximus, your done for you funnel. And this is where you're going to put your affiliate link in. So you highlight that and you get rid of it. And you paste in. This is where your affiliate link's going to be. But you need to get rid of where it's all these X's and put your affiliate ID in there. I'm not going to put my affiliate ID in there because I don't want everybody to know what my affiliate ID is. So I'm just going to put test. Now, chances are this probably won't work because I don't have a real affiliate ID in there. So what I'm going to do is just put HTTPS, and I'm going to put maximustraffic.com in there. Okay, just for demo purposes, but you're going to want to put your affiliate ID in there with that code that I showed you. So anyway, then you go down here and you just push refresh. And if I highlight that, it'll say Maximus Traffic down over here. Okay, so then we know we got it all set up. So then we just push save and proceed. Okay, now if you publish, as you know in the Maximus training, the cloud-based part of this software does not work. You have to have your own hosting and your own server. So you have to download it and then upload it onto your server. So I'm going to go ahead and push publish. You have to name it, and we'll just call it I don't think you can have spaces in there. Just remember that. You cannot have spaces in there. And I'm going to call it Maximus Traffic Demo. So that's something you need to know. You can't use spaces in this. You said, okay, publish. Now, if it's taken, you'll have to rename it. And then you just download it. It's going to come in a zip file. And if you watch the Maximus training, you'll understand how this works. So I'm going to save it. And it'll save as a template. So now I'm going to go to my downloads folder. Get rid of these. And you can see the template is right here. So I'm going to highlight that, And first thing I'm going to do is rename it to Maximus. You can name it anything, but I would recommend naming it to the name of the product, the Conversio bot product. So anyway, I'm going to put Maximus hyphen traffic demo. You know, if I can spell demo. Okay, I'm going to rename that, and then I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm going to extract all. I'm just going to extract it here in my downloads folder. You might want to make your own folder on your desktop, but for demo purposes, I'm just going to put it into my downloads folder. Okay, as you can see, it made another file here. So I'm going to go ahead and open that file, and I'm going to show you what the Maximus funnel will look like, because you will be able to see what it looks like. The problem is with the software on the cloud there, it doesn't have these files in it, so it don't show correctly. Okay, now I'm going to go to my FTP server, and I'm going to go to my downloads folder, and then I'm going to search for that file that we created, Maximus traffic demo. Here it is. So I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to upload it onto my FTP server. It's uploading all them files onto my FTP server. Then I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to rename, copy. Then I'm going to go back to my browser. I'm going to create a new tab, and I'm going to go HTTPS Maximus Traffic, MaximusTraffic.com. Then I'm going to paste in that URL. Just copy and paste. Just paste it. I'm going to highlight this code. I'm going to refresh the page. And then here's the Maximus funnel that we created by using that high converting offer from CB250. We researched ClickBank. We plugged it into Maximus. And we want to copy this file right here. One thing is you want to make sure that the video plays. And it plays. You want to check out the link to make sure it goes to where you want it to go to, your affiliate link. I put in MaximusTraffic.com. So if I click here, it's going to go to MaximusTraffic.com. This is the sales page. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to copy this, go back to our notepad. This is the same notepad that we used for the video. We're going to paste that in there so we don't lose it. And then we're going to go back to Push Pro, and we're going to plug that into Push Pro. Okay, now I'm going to go to Push Pro. And the first thing that you need to do in Push Pro is you need to create a list. So you go up here to where it says List, and you highlight the list, and you push the button. And then you're going to need to add a title for the list, and that can be anything. It's just for your references. It doesn't really matter what it is. But for this demonstration, I'm going to go to CB250, and I'm going to highlight this, the name of the product here, Conversio bot. I'm going to highlight that code. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to Push Pro, and then I'm going to paste that in here. And then push Save. As you can see, the name of the list is down here. Now you can edit these lists, or you can delete these lists. And the next thing that you need to do normally would be you need to make a follow-up sequence. And you can do that in the Done For You funnels, but you need to watch the Push Pro training up above this video to learn how to do that. But for this demonstration, we're going to go to opt-ins, because we need to create a new opt-in message. And then we need to create new. And here's where you're going to get some information. And you also need to upload one of them 192 by 192 images that we talked about in the Push Pro training. So anyway, so I'm going to go to the browse, and I'm in my 192 Push 192 folder, and these are the different images. So I'm just going to take this image right here, it's just for demo purposes anyway. And then I'm going to go and I need to put something in the title. So in the title, I'm going to go to the Conversio Bot CPA Rev Share Available, and I'm going to go to the sales page, and I'm going to copy this line of code. Now you can edit this, you can make it anything that you want. You could, how we automatically added, or how we automatically generated, you know, we could do it this in 6 months. Let's do this. We're going to change this. We're going to copy this whole thing, but we are going to edit it. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go in here and we're going to paste it in here, and it might be more than the 100 characters. So we're going to take this. We automatically generated. We're going to take that and put there. We want to put learn, a want. It needs to be phrased as a question, to learn. Okay, and then you go get the second line of code onto the sales page of the product that you're trying to promote with a single line of AI code. With a single line of website AI code. Sorry, I misspoke. Go back to Push Pro, second line. And then here's where you put yes, allow, or no, disallow. So what I usually do is put yes, you know, if I can spell. Yes, I'm in. You can see it in my cache. Or nah, I'm good. I phrase that, and then you just push save. Okay, now you got your embed code, and you're going to need this embed code. Now you can use this embed code on just a regular website. You don't have to use it with the instant push pages, but you can use it in any website. But for the Maximus traffic system, we are going to use this code in instant push pages. So anyway, so we got to find that code. Here's the embed code. So we're going to highlight that code, click on it, and then you're going to go to the Conversio Bot list. Now you can add a tracking code, some other information. These are optional, but you need to have it go to the Maximus Traffic website. And you also need to highlight the pushpro.com, and you need to add a URL for it to go to. So you need it to go to the Maximus Traffic demo website that we made, and it's right here. So I think when we did this, we put it in a notepad so we wouldn't lose it, but it's still in my browser. So I'm just going to copy that code, go back here, paste it in here. So now we're going to copy this embed code. And then we're going to go to instant push pages. Okay, now we're in instant push pages. And the first thing that we're going to do is take that code, and where it says push opt-in code, we're going to take and we're going to paste it inside there. Then we need to name our website URL. So what I'm going to do is call it, for demo purposes, I'm going to go back to CB250. I'm going to copy this text here. I'm going to go back to instant push pages, and I'm going to paste it in here. And I'm going to get rid of the extra there. We're just going to call it Conversio Bot. And then down here, it says your website name. So I'm going to do the same thing. Just call it Conversio Bot. And you need to put your click ClickBank nickname in here, but I just put test so you can collect commissions off the instant push pages. There's other links on there where you can collect commissions if someone purchases the products that are on instant push pages. And here's where it gets a little bit complicated because you have to have a logo image, and it has to be these dimensions right here. And it also has to be either a transparent or blue background. So what I do is I go to the sales page, like a Conversio bot, and I put my cursor over top of their logo, and I put save as, and I'll just put .png here, logo underscore color .png, and I save it in my downloads. Then I go to my downloads. Then I'll highlight this. Now I'm on a PC, but you can go with any of your image softwares, your editing softwares, and I'm going to go to Paint. Okay, I'll make this bigger, and what I'm going to do is go to Home because this image is too big, and I'm going to do is I'm going to select. I'm going to crop the image, select, and I'm going to take just the headline. This part here, right click, and then I'm going to crop it because this is what my logo image is going to be. So then I'm going to resize this. I'm going to go to resize, and it needs to be 300 by 60. So I'm going to change this to 300, and it's less than 60. So I'm going to get rid of this maintain aspect ratio, and I'm going to call it 61 just to be on the safe side because it can be 60 to 66. Then I'll push OK, and then I'm going to save that, save as, and I'm going to save it in my downloads, and I'm going to change that from logo color to, we'll just call it my logo color .png. Okay, we're going to save it as, you can name it anything you want, but I'm going to save it as my color.png. And push yes, it's going to lose the transparency. So now we're going to make it transparent. So we're going to go to a website called BG Remover. Okay, go into your Google search, BG Remover. It's right here, removebg.com. You go here, then you upload, and then you go to your downloads folder. I'm going to go to my downloads folder because that's where I put it. And I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to open. And then, see, now it's a transparent background. Now I'm going to download it. Now I'm going to go back to instant push pages. I'm going to browse my computer, go to downloads, and it's this one here. It says remove BG preview. We're just going to highlight that. We're going to open. So now my logo's on my instant push pages. Now you need an email. So I'm going to put support at Max traffic.com. So you'll put an email address in there. And these are all optional. Everything on here is optional. You can add more images and a tracking code and join page tracking code, which I'm not going to do any of that. And when you get all that done, you just save changes to page. Oh, it needs to be lowercase. That was my bad. Change that to lowercase. Okay, there's my new instant push page. So anyway, this is what the page that you'll promote. You want to save that URL. And this is on the cloud and it does work. If you don't have a website, you can use this software. I'm going to save it in my notepad. Okay, this is your new Instant Push Pages page. And what you do is you promote this page and you get traffic to it. And then if they push this button here, get instant access for free software bots, it takes them here. And this is where your push notification opt-in will be that you made with Push Pro. And what it says is, want to learn how we automatically generated 6,386 sales in 6 months. And they can say, nah, I'm good, and it will go away. Or they can say, yes, I'm in, and it takes them here. And this is your Maximus done-for-you funnel that we created. And it's got the video on there, the headline. And if they play the video and they're interested in it and they push add to cart, it will take them to your affiliate offer that you got off of ClickBank. But in this case, it's going to take me to MaximusTraffic.com. And that is the Maximus traffic system. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.